Okay, you're welcome back to my channel. This is 𝗦𝗕𝗕𝗕𝗕. In this particular tutorial, I'll be creating a logo design for a construction company. Okay, now it's naturally not a construction company. Okay, yeah, it's more like a construction company because they deal with into building materials, and it's also an engineering consult. So instead of the normal, I've done my sketching. Instead of a normal logo for these people that deal with building, I decided to just come up with something different. I actually saw this particular logo in my dream when I was just thinking about the concept. I just went ahead with it. Okay, so this is what I came up with first. We can leave this here. So the next thing, copy this, position this one here. I wish this was Adobe Illustrator. We would have had this option of just automatically maintaining the size, the space. This one should be okay. So we have this one here. I will just bring this one to this side. I don't want to make it too much, so I will just go with this. So I'll copy this one here, then bring in this grid. Okay, come to edit, then put in this one like this. Guess you can't see it now, but when I just move it up a bit, you should be able to see it. Okay, now it's like this. That space. Now this space, I just feel now this is why when you're working with a logo, it's always good to take advantage of your grid. Just make use of everything like this. It's gonna help you very, very well. I think I will just have to make mine 40 and make this 40. Okay, now when you're working with grid, it's just good for you to pay attention to this grid line. It's really, really going to help you. Okay, this now I want to kind of gauge like the distance with my eyes. Okay, let's just use this one. Or should we make use of 50-50? Let's make use of 50. Okay, so just pay good rapt attention to. Okay, so the next one will just always be on top of those lines. So I'm just gauging this thing now with my eyes. Okay, I'm going to bring this one down a bit. Okay, so this one, copy this one, put this one here. Now the goal is just to achieve something that looks like a building. Now I'm not doing any presentation in this particular tutorial. I'm just okay. Now it's this one done. So the next thing I'll just do is come here and merge everything. Okay, so in case you just joined me for the first time, strongly recommend you subscribe to my channel, put on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post new video here on YouTube. Okay, now with this one out of the way, so this is my logo. So okay, the brand logo, brand color, has to deal with blue. So I'll be using one of the blue in Pixellab, this particular blue, this particular one. In working with logos, you definitely know want to follow. One thing as a good designer, you know, it's not actually advisable you work with the trend. The trend, I mean, what is popular, what is common, just to make your own. It is JK Engineering Consult. So that's the name of the brand, JK Engineering Consult. Now, so okay, for the font, it's actually a building company, kind of luxurious in nature. Let me use 𝗦𝗦𝗕𝗦𝗖𝗥𝗕𝗕. So let me make use of it this way. So for the font, I choose not to make use of 𝗦𝗦𝗕𝗦𝗧. I'll make use of Georgia. It's actually, the brand happens to be a luxurious brand that deals with construction and looks modern to me. So I'll be making use of a serif font. So for the motto, now this, okay, so I will edit this. Okay, your destiny is our motto. Then okay, I'll make this small letters. So I will change the font to, I can actually use my favorite 𝗦𝗕𝗕𝗦𝗖𝗥𝗕𝗘 or 𝗦𝗕𝗕𝗦𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧 Now this is my problem with having too much like different variations of a vertical font. Okay, so let me make use of this one. So then definitely we're gonna scale this down. We definitely have to scale this down. Okay, and we'll bring this here. Now, okay, now we have this. Now I'll just make do of this, whatever I'm having here, like this. So the next thing is just come from PNG and save. Okay, now I don't know, I just feel this logo, this happens to be too big. Okay, like the weight is too big. I try to just maintain the color. Also, the next thing I'll just have to come here. Okay, my data is on. Is go to my browser and go to Photopea.com. So I'll click on this. Okay, you're welcome to Photopea. Now, Photopea is just a software that it's not a software anyway. It's a website that actually helps us to play alongside Photoshop files. You can also use it to create software designs. It functions just like Photoshop. Alright, so we won't spend much time here. We just come here to open file, open. So file. So I have the file I'm looking for in this particular Kremit. So this is a 3D glass, so it's going to take a while, but it's going to load. Now if Photopea is going to take time, it's probably the device you're using slowing it down, or the network is bad. Now I will not want to adjust anything here, because at times when you move anything here, it's going to tamper with the PSD file. Now it's best to just probably, let's see, just right undo. Alright, so it's best if you just highlight everything at once. Let me click on. So if you want to edit anything here, you just click on this transform. But for here, I'll just click on this layer. This thing actually signifies a layer. So the next thing we're doing is this box here. You double tap on it. Okay, we can hide it. You can see now we're only having this mockup. You can just come here and delete this. You must have a layer. So what we do, just come here. The design we saved. You come here and open and place. Come here. I have it in my saved file. So this is it's here. Okay, it's gonna take a while while it's load. In case you're joining me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. So now we can just now adjust it. Oh, you can make it big. Okay, so come here. Please make sure you come back to this file. If not, it's not going to work. And save smart object. Make sure in all you're doing, you do it. Please, I beg you. In all you're doing, make sure you do it. Okay, it's going to take a while for it to load. More or less, subscribe to my channel if you just joined me for the first time. The smart object, so I can now come here and cancel this. Okay, let's come back. So this particular guy. Sorry, my phone was actually misbehaving there. Okay, so this is what we now have. You can see, because I increased the size a bit, but I feel that logo, the icon is quite big. You can see JK Engineering Consult, your destiny is our motto. Alright, so this is all we have for this particular tutorial. So I can now come here, come to export. As you can choose what you want to export it as, but I'll be exporting it as, not as a PNG, but now PNG will still work. Actually, the JPEG would have been better, but it's still not bad anyway. Also, this is what we now have for the brand JK Engineering Consult. Your destiny is our motto. Alright, so that's all for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one.